After struggling to fix the exhaust in the Rocky Mountains and a long drive through the scorching desert, we finally arrived at Tucson Dragway, the Trans Am Pass Tack, and we are finally ready to race. This is surreal. I remember walking these pits last year and I was so upset that I didn't have this car here. 2,831 miles. She's still going. I don't know if she's gonna be going after we take her down the track a couple times. That might be it. That might be my 12's. Oh man, that thing launched. Got good news for me? Oh, close. No cigar.
Fourth gen Trans Am T-top automatic. You got something to prove here? Yeah. It is full stock LS1. So it's an automatic LS1 TA third. That motor is worth 3 grand. Out. Yeah, sorry. Right on the edge. I see these occasionally, but man, Craigslist LA, people are asking $7,500 for that thing. It's brutal. I'm buying that thing for 3 grand right now. Really? If I have 3 grand. Let's enjoy now. No way.
And the search for the 12's continues, but trying to get into those numbers with regular street tires is turning out to be a challenge. Ooh, it's hot in here. So the last run wasn't too bad. It was a 13:22 at about 104 miles an hour. That is all-time best for right now. All right, so I'm gonna try to get this car into the 12 seconds because right now I'm at about 13:22, which has been the best time of the night. So I gotta drop some weight. So what's the best way to do it? Pull-ups. Seat for sale. Here, you want a nice seat to sit in?
Fire!
There you go. All right, we're getting into the 12's.
12!
Getting closer and closer. I am at a 13.14 at 104 miles an hour. I already removed the seat and it got me a little bit more. So, I mean, what's the next step, right? Besides slicks. All right. Last resort. Spun the tires on that one, so 13.9, pretty horrible. This by far was the best run of the night. And of course, the only footage I have is from inside the car, but I ran a 13.01. I was so close. Just because we didn't get into the 12's doesn't mean our fate is decided for the next Hot Rod event. But for now, it's time to enjoy good times with friends to sign off Duct Tape Drags 2021.